Okay, hey everybody, today we're going to be changing out this for stereo control. Yeah, like that. So first thing you want to do is you want to unhook your battery, let the car sit for a minute. Now, you're going to, there's a hole here and a hole on the other side. You're going to put either 2 small pins or, as I'm doing, 2 screwdrivers on each side at the same time, and you should hear it release. For a G6, it has to be done at the same time. Other cars can be done separate. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'm going to show you what it should look like. Okay, so I got my airbag out, and I just set it up there. Okay, so in order to take this out, there's a small torque screw back in there, and 100%. Let's see if I can get that to focus on it. Okay. You know, it's a small torque screw right there. Take it out. This will just come right out. Do that real quick, and I'll show you what it should look like. Okay. That's what it looks like now. So this one is going to be a little bit different due to the fact it has a different wiring harness. So basically I'm going to unhook here because I will not need this old wiring harness. This old one only does cruise control. So I'm going to unhook here, and I'll probably go ahead and take that out as well. That way you can actually hook the new wiring harness up to it. So I'll take that out. I'm going to unhook here, and I'll show you what it should look like. Okay, so now that I got the old wiring harness out, here's the new one. Just going to hook in. Of course, it's going to be complicated to do it one-handed, but there we go. Okay, so now that it's hooked in, you'll run this wire back through here, like this. You'll hook it up before you put it in. And you're going to run this wire over here, connect this wire back to this wire. So once you connect it, you're going to place it like this, push it in there, make sure the screw lines up down there. And I'll show you what it should look like.